I've seen it before. I say like this morning when I woke up, it was like I live in a neighborhood with Kingwood here, and like the school has like tons of traffic, like coming down the neighborhood, so it sucks. Really like Kingwood school in my neighborhood. Oh, there's a lot of traffic coming down. No, I wanted to, but I wasn't ready. Sorry, I woke up at like 7 a.m. I'm gonna be here at 7:30. And then like, it was sleep for like 20 minutes. No. My mom's doing it. Yeah, she was doing it.
Dang it, Tyler.
My neighborhood is like busy.
Are you setting more than one alarm?
That sounds like 2.
What is 0 minus 3? $0. $3.
Oh, I'm sorry.
And then come back and check the graph.
I was getting told to do more. I'm gonna pass this test. The part that I'm left for is like the domain and range part.
Domain and range is not on this quiz. It will be on your test.
Okay.
What do they both have in common? They have a 5, right? So I can't add them because one's got an A and one doesn't. So I'm going to pull this 5 out to the front. So what happens to this first term when I take a 5 out? What do I have left? You have an A left. You took out the 5. And what happens when I take a 5 out of 10? What's 10 divided by 5? 2. Alright, you can't subtract these two. You can't subtract them. They're not like. So what do they have in common? Negative 6x. Alright, so what's negative 12 divided by negative 6? Positive 2. And you got 1x left. And then what's negative 6 divided by negative 6? Positive or negative? Positive 1. There you go. Alright, what about number 3? What do they have in common? An x and a 2. Very good. They don't have a y in common, right? Alright, so I take out an x and a 2. I got y to the 3rd minus, what's 10 divided by 2? 5. There you go. Alright, number 4 is just like your just like your quiz is about to be, okay? What number am I going to plug in?
1.
You're going to plug in 1, okay? So it'll be f of 1. So this is 3 times 1 plus 7 all squared. Okay, so you do the inside first. So it'll be 3 plus 7 squared. And that is 10 squared, which is 100. There you go. So, and that's exactly like your quiz is about to be on part of it. Alright, here we go. So it says, determine the measure of BAC. How do you do that? You look at this middle letter, right? So you're looking at A. It wants you to figure out what this piece is. So do you see this triangle right here? Okay, I need this piece, this angle. What you got? Yep. So what is this angle? 45, because they're called vertical angles. So now you can use those two. You can do 180 minus 35 minus 45, and you can tell me what A is. You got calculators. It's 100 even? 70, 80. Yep, it is. Sweet. That was really, really easy. Y'all okay? Alrighty. If you have your checkpoint as a 100, you can take your quiz. If you don't have your checkpoint as a 100, you got to work on that checkpoint first.